right now, oh crap, yeah, right now, we are getting ready to do this. Explore that, okay. So, we're not gonna upgrade that, okay. Shockwave Spire. Probably need that. Don't know what to pick. Pick this. You probably already watched this. This is not a cool game. I can get Minecraft. I want at least 8 likes. To I'll show you. I'll get Minecraft. Either way, I just want. If you guys want Minecraft, you like this video, you want me to do more like this, give me 10 likes. Or 10 subs. Oh, at least 8 more subs, because then I'll have 10. Yeah, I'd love if you guys did that. I have YouTube playing in the background right now. To do that. Alright. So guys, I'm gonna hop out of this. I don't know what to get. Ooh. We'll select that. Right here. Yeah, right now, even though I probably, yeah, not playing a liked game really. That's something I think is cool. I wish I could play Call of Duty. One thing is here, after I beat this level, I will stop playing at the moment, and then I'll get Call of Duty. I think I should get Call of Duty. Yeah, we'll have you, this cool dude, come in. What's he turn into? Oh, yeah. Let's just go through this. So yeah, really didn't want to play that. And see you guys. This is the end of the video here. They're gonna high five. I don't know. Should they high five? Totally. See you guys.